The brave little raindrop. Once upon a time, way up in the sky, lived a tiny raindrop named Rippity. Rippity was small, shiny, and round. He loved to play hide and seek in the clouds. "Ready or not, here I drip," he laughed. One windy day, the clouds grew dark. "Hold on tight," said Mama Cloud. But Rippity was brave. "I want to see the big wide world." So swoosh, dash down he went, tumbling and splashing through the air. He landed on a leaf, then rolled onto a flower, and finally plopped into a puddle with a great splash. All the other raindrops cheered, "Welcome home, Rippity." Rippity smiled and said, "Being little doesn't mean I can't do big things." And from that day on, every time it rained, the raindrops shouted together, "Splish, splash, hooray!" The end.